much. A few videos ago, I did this video that you can see on my TV here, and that's when I showcased the Blue Burst Advent Black King Tour Pack. Well, since then, I've sold that motorcycle, and Advent Black sent me this King Tour Pack that's perfectly color matched from my 2023 CVO behind me. And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna assemble it, we're gonna install the liners for the King Tour Pack, we're gonna attach it to the King Tour Pack rack, we're gonna install this custom backrest that Boyz Cyclez sent me, and we're also going to install the Advent Black inner bag liners that fit perfectly for your 2023 CVO and your 2024 Road Glides and your 2024 Street Glides and up. Lastly, we're going to install this Advent Black tail light that fits perfectly on your King Tour Pack. However, we'll do that in a separate video. We are on my 2023 CVO Road Glide, and the first thing we're going to do is open up the saddlebag. It's very simple to install your inner bag liner. Advent Black's going to send you this roll of Velcro tape, and all you do is you get your measurements, cut it with some scissors, and just tape it on there. It's a very simple install, but one thing I like that I mentioned on my video when I made this is that this right here has a pocket, so you can put your documents or a nice little koozie from the Wounded Warrior project. Now let's go to the other saddlebag here. You do the same thing. You take your measurements, and you just place the tape wherever you think it may need it. You get the bag, you get the liner, and you just place it in here. And there it is. It's nice and installed, and one of my favorite parts is this nice little pocket here. You can put whatever you want. Now let's move over to the King Tour Pack. Let's open up this bad boy here. It comes with this extra foam in here just to keep the stuff that's inside from rattling. And inside you're obviously gonna get some stickers, some warning labels, and you get this packet here, which is your plate. This is what your plate looks like, and it has a very nice Advent Black embossed in it. What you do with this plate is you basically place it on top of here with the bolts, and that's what's gonna hold your King Tour Pack to your King Tour Pack rack. But first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna install this King Tour Pack liner. Just like with the bag liners, you're gonna get this roll of Velcro tape that you're gonna measure and just cut and tape onto the King Tour Pack. What I like to do, I like to start in the middle here. There's no right or wrong way to do it, and just basically follow suit somewhere around the sides here, and that should do it. Once you install the liner, you have to reinstall this extractor here, and all you do is you just take off these bolts here. There's 2 here on the bottom and then 3 on the top, and then you install it, and that's pretty much it. All right, so let's see what it looks like with the inner bag liners installed. Looks good, don't it? All right, so now that we installed the liner on the King Tour Pack and the liners on the saddlebags, the next step that we're gonna do is we're gonna install this awesome backrest that Boyz Cyclez sent me that's custom stitched and has all of their stuff onto this awesome color matched King Tour Pack from Advent Black. So what you need to do is you need to get yourself a 1/2-inch wrench, and let's get to work. Your backrest is gonna come with 3 bolts, 1 here outside, 1 in the middle, and 1 on the outside, and obviously your King Tour Pack is going to have the corresponding hose to make it fit. The wrench I'm using is one from Craftsman I bought from Lowe's, and I like to use their ratchet options because it just makes it so much easier to install these. The next thing we're going to do is install the King Tour Pack onto this rack, and also these additional brackets that Advent Black has sent to give you more support on your King Tour Pack, and that way there's less friction. One of the things Advent Black added to the lineup is adding this rubber surface on their rack, as well as adding the rubber surface on their King Torque extensions. And I'm very happy they did that because it's gonna vibrate less than it would have without having this added. I'm about to install these extensions here. However, after looking for the bolts here, I remembered that I misplaced them, and after cleaning and moving things around, I just can't find that kit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get 1 set, and I'm gonna get one of my motorcycles here, go to my local hardware store, and just get them in and come back. So let's go. Okay, so which motorcycle should I take to the hardware store? Should I take my brand new CVO here? Should I take my 2019 CVO hot rod? Or should I take my turbo? Man, that's a nice looking bike, man. I like it. Come on, let's go. Let's go, buddy. All day. Anyhow, I'm out riding my bike over here on the way to get my bolts and just making the best of it, y'all. Making the best out of it. Man, there she is, y'all. Man, this bad boy is running like a champ. Man, she can go. Man, this is a fast bad boy, let me tell you. Let me around. You know, let me bring it down a few gears. Let me bring it down a few gears. Let me bring it down a few gears. Have a little bit of fun here. Let me see. You know what? Is that one? All right. Let me try to shift one gear without the clutch. Ooh, buddy! No clutch shifting. I love it. Oh, I gotta be careful there. The back wheel almost slipped from under me. Shift with no clutch. That sound right there is just like heaven. Heaven, y'all. Heaven. I don't recommend that shifting like that because, you know, you might mess up your transmission and stuff. We are back now and I have the bolts installed, but I haven't tightened them up, as you can see. I'm gonna install the King Tour Pack on first to the rack, and then I'm just gonna tighten these up and adjust it. I just installed this plate here that goes in the inside of your King Tour Pack, but as you can see, I had to lift up my liner. So if you're doing the same thing that I'm doing, definitely do this part first before your liner. This is what the rack looks like with the adapters attached. As you can see here, you can move the King Tour Pack closer or away from you. This is what the King Tour Pack looks like underneath, and I mentioned earlier that you can adjust this rack to move up or down, but for me, I always adjust it all the way back so that way my passenger can have all the space needed. I'm in the process of tightening up these extensions here, and man, let me tell you, it is such a nice and tight fit. Now that I have this rack exactly where I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this King Tour Pack over and tighten up these bolts. The King Tour Pack from Advent Black is now fully assembled, and now all I have to do is install it on my Road Glide to see what it looks like. As I mentioned earlier, I outfitted my King Tour Pack from Advent Black with a custom backrest from Boyz Cyclez. As you can see, the stitching and everything matches perfectly with my solo seat, the passenger seat, and the passenger backrest. So there's one more thing that I need to add to complete this set here, which is the backrest for me. There is my backrest installed, and man, the entire set, along with this awesome King Tour Pack from Advent Black, matches perfectly with the bike and the setup that I want for this motorcycle, at least for now. If you're interested in any of these products, the inner bag liners, the liners for the King Tour Pack, the King Tour Pack, the King Tour Pack rack, the backrest, this Freedom Series seat from Boyz Cyclez, I'll leave a link below in the description. Now I'm gonna wait for this rain to pass by us, and once it does, probably tomorrow, I'm gonna get my beautiful wife on the passenger here and get her take on it. So y'all be good.